Right, welcome back to another fishing episode. Me and Erich out and about on the beach again.
Yep, we're looking forward to this.
Yep, and we are, you might recognise it, we're at Sizewell. Yeah, so come down here. Hopefully we're after a few sole, maybe some bass, maybe it's smooth hound, whatever comes along really.
We've been given the mark.
Yep, so just in front of this, this structure here. And yeah, see how we go. Rig wise, 2 hook flappers, small hooks, and ragworm. And yeah.
So far as tanglement's concerned, it's 1-0 to me.
Yeah, got started yet. Yeah, let's get this out and see if we can't get a fish on the board. Don't need a huge amount of distance apparently. It's lucky because I'm not the best caster. Also I'm going to put out a little scratching rod just on here as well, a really short distance, but we'll get to that in a minute. Just wanted to get a line out straight away. Weather-wise, lovely today.
Beautiful.
Bit of a breeze, onshore breeze, isn't there? But
got our shelter.
Yeah.
It's nice and warm.
And high tide isn't until 9 o'clock, so we're going to be fishing it into the night and hopefully have some action. Erich's added a few beads to the end of his, so the sole and the flatties, they like it.
Yeah.
Keeps it right on the bed. Thought I had a little knock there, but this one over here, the scratching rod, going to put a single hook flapper on there, and there's a few little beads on it and that. Hopefully light that up. We'll see what happens with that. Erich slightly over to the right. I'm pretty much in line with the structure, and then this one just on the first sort of wave. We're fishing, pal.
We're fishing.
That sun's just going down. It will be dark quite quickly this time of year, isn't it? So
yeah, give it another like half an hour, I reckon it'll be dark.
yeah, we've got lots of lights with us and stuff.
Yeah.
I'm going to check that bait. We've had it out there for probably 20-30 minutes.
Yeah, 20 minutes.
Yeah, and then see what the state of the bait is, and then change it up, get back out there before it turns dark. They're all rebaiting and back out.
Yeah, we're getting some action, but most of it's wave action.
Yeah.
At the moment.
Yeah. But the night is young.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, Sizewell has a no-fly zone down here, so there won't be any drone footage. But we'll try and fill in with a few time lapses.
Yeah.
And see how we go with that. First sign of a little bite on that left-hand rod.
Definitely.
There, it's moving.
Yeah, it's there again.
It's nibbling at it.
We're going to have a little look or what?
I'm hoping that's not a whiting. We'll start that nonsense. Alright, give it a look, I reckon. Little nibbles, wasn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
I don't think so.
Oh well,
Good
there's
bite,
definitely a bite.
And that sky's looking incredible. Not a lot happening on the fishing front though. Hopefully it'll turn on overnight. No bait. Definitely a knock on Erich's. Come on, pal, we need a fish. Yep. Feel anything? He's not that small. Definitely so. Little bass, mate.
No, it's is it?
Yeah, little bass.
Yeah, it is. Oh well.
Fish is a fish. Yep,
I reckon it's on there this time as well.
I reckon it's big. I reckon it's anything.
Really? That was going.
Still 1-0 to you.
If you need me, you know where I'll be. If you need me, you know where I'll be. Down along the creeks, I'll be where the rivers meet, or over on the other side, round by the open sea. So if you need me, you know where I'll be.
Definite little taps. There. There. Give it a try.
Yeah.
That's something.
Right.
That is something minuscule.
Oh. Can we
Side
see
hook,
that?
side hook little bass.
Bloody
Sort him
hell.
out and get him back. A little bit of bratwurst for us on the barbecue. Still waiting for a decent fish to come. 1-1 now, pal.
Right.
They are alright, aren't they? Delish. A little maybe?
There was a definite couple of little knocks. Something there, isn't there, or not? No? Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Little whiting. They are about then.
Yeah.
Not too bad of a size.
No, it's not actually, is it?
Probably keepable, but
Yeah. We'll put it back, shall we?
Yeah.
Oh well, that shows that they are around then.
We're nearly at high tide. 2-1 for me.
2-1.
2-1.
You sure?
Yeah. Do you want to do it on species instead? It's still 2-1.
Oh. 2-all. Oh well, what's that? Is that another? Is it a bass or a white? It's whiting, isn't it? There we go.
Whiting galore.
That was a long time waiting for that, wasn't it?
Bass number 2 for you.
2-all.
Biggest bass yet. Suffolk. 3-2. Some sort of weight.
Whoa,
Another fucking white.
you're in the whiting zone. It's a bit bigger though.
4-2.
4-2 bullshit. Surely 3. Look there. Actually, strangely, we were catching loads of small, really tiny ones last year, weren't we? That's a bit better. Not huge, but there you go. Hooray! Oh well. So anyway, the whiting are back.
A whiting for Erich. Little whiting. One more cast, I reckon, pal.
If there's enough worms.
I think there's a couple in there still.
I've still got some on mine.
Just for
Only a little bit.
4-3?
What, are you?
Yeah.
What, to me?
No, it's me. To you. One minuscule bass to finish the session. Could have another little one. This will be 6 for you, Erich.
Yep.
Another white one.
Yeah.
Not too bad of a size.
Reasonable.
White.
Yeah, they're all right, aren't they? Yeah, good.
Oh well, a few fish for us. Nothing, pal? Well, I think that's us going to call it, isn't it? So, yeah, that's it. That's done.
Oh well.
But only a few little fish. There's always next time.
5-4 to me. This
What?
time.
No. Well, that's fishing for you. And, yeah. Make sure to subscribe as always, and keep on watching the page, and hopefully eventually we'll get something half decent. Till next time.
Cheerio.